Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to lock an album on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Let's start by opening the Gallery application. Now, go to the menu section in the bottom right corner of your screen, then select Settings. In Settings, navigate to the bottom of this menu, find About Gallery. Here you'll find the version number. The version number of your gallery. Just tap on this number 11 times until you see the Gallery Lapse is enabled notification. Go back to Gallery Settings, scroll down, select Gallery Lapse, and then let's scroll down until we find the album entry locks feature. Switch the toggle to the right next to it, then tap OK. Now let's get back to the gallery and let's create a new album that we want to lock. So let's tap the plus icon, then select album, let's call it Secret, and tap Create. Now let's move some photos there. And now to lock it, hold your finger down on it, then tap More icon, and then we're gonna have to select lock, which is not available right now, so we're gonna have to restart the application. So let's do this. Let's restart the application, then hold finger down on an album, tap More, and then select Lock Album. And now this album is locked with the screen lock. Alternatively, and if you want your album to be more secure, instead of this, you can also just hold your finger down on it, select More, and then select Move to Secure folder. Yeah, but first we're gonna have to unlock it to do so. And to move the album to secure folder, you're gonna have to create a secure folder. If you didn't do this yet, it's done pretty quick and easily. Just tap Continue, give secure folder permissions, wait until it's created, sign into your Samsung account if prompted, then select either a password or add a fingerprint to unlock your secure folder, or both. Let's use a PIN code. And let's register a fingerprint. Just register it like a regular one by pressing the circle, pressing the fingerprint icon, and moving your fingertip up whenever the circle is filled with green color, and proceed until the bar reaches 100%, then tap Done. And if you want to allow the lock reset for the folder with Samsung account, just in case you ever lose access to it, switch the toggle to the right, then tap Next, then adjust settings for secure folder by selecting one of these two options. So either close all applications when the secure folder is locked, or allow background activity for the applications when it's locked. You can also hide your security folder if you want to, and then unhide it by tapping the secure folder in the quick settings panel. Tap Done, and now the album is moved to secure folder. By default, you can open it find and open it in the Apps menu, and here you can find Gallery with your private folder. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.